guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. To those who are new here, I go by the name of Carol. Peace. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because why not? And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Beep, 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 beep. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you my natural hair routine. I'm gonna show you my natural hair routine and the products that I use. So I'll be watching my mirror. This is the mirror that I'll be using, my main mirror. So guys, taking care of natural hair is something that is not easy. It is not easy. People will be like, no, your hair looks so beautiful, and I'll be like, thank you. But deep down, I know behind the scene I'm going through a lot, because at night I'm braiding my hair so that it doesn't cramp. It's just a lot, guys. To those of you who end up relaxing your hair, I don't blame you. I do not blame you. It's never easy. But then in today's video, I'm gonna show you all how I do my natural hair routine. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video. As you can see here, I've braided my hair just for me to sleep. My hair's been looking crusty. Natural is just a disaster. But then, we survive. We survive, guys. So now I'm just going to wet my hair so that the shampoo can dissolve in my hair. I'm just gonna wet my hair using the bottle of kitchen cleaner. I've just put warm water, but it doesn't matter if you use warm water or cold water, as long as you are gonna be able to make your hair to be wet so that the shampoo can dissolve in your hair. And also, it's important to make sure that the water dissolved onto your scalp, onto your hair. So you must put as enough water as you can so that when you apply your shampoo can dissolve on your scalp and onto your hair. So now I'm gonna use my shampoo, Soft and Free shampoo, strictly for natural hair. I just hope you guys can learn that. Use the product that is suitable for your hair, because I used to have a relaxed hair and I used the natural hair shampoo and my hair was just like it was damaged. So make sure you use the product that is suitable for your hair. If you are a relaxed hair, just make sure you apply the product that has written for relaxed hair, strictly for relaxed hair. And if you have natural hair, make sure you apply the product that has written strictly for natural hair. So as you can see on this video, I'm using a Soft and Free cannabis and baobab fortifying shampoo. Fortifying shampoo, sorry. Yes, so it's good on my hair. It's the second time using this, so I just can see my hair being purified and being beautiful and natural. So I'm just gonna apply on my hair, onto my scalp. I'm gonna apply as much as I can so that all of the hair gets that shampoo, so that it can be clean and it can be purified, and also it can get the nutrients and vitamins from the shampoo. So after applying my shampoo, I'm just gonna open lines so that I can braid my hair and wear a shower cap to heat my hair, and so that I can get the nutrients and vitamins in the product. I think we as people, we are not using these products very well because we are rinsing our hair and our hair hasn't got enough vitamins, so we just rushing to rinse our hair without waiting just a little bit. So in this video I am gonna wear a shower cap and wait for a few minutes so that it can get the nutrients in the product, and so that my hair can be rich and nourished. So I'm just gonna do that, and yeah. So now I'm just gonna wear my shower cap so that I can heat my hair, and I'm gonna wait just a few minutes and rinse. So I am gonna remove my shower cap and just unbraid my hair so that I can comb the lines. So as you can see guys, I'm just gonna comb my hair. I'm gonna comb all of my hair until it gets done. So as you can see, I'm done rinsing my hair. I'm done. So I'm just gonna dry my hair using that towel so that I can be able to remove all the water on my scalp so that I can apply my oil.
to myself, what a wonderful.
Thank you for watching this video until this far. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.